Yeah, sir. It's late, and we're going to do the best reviewed restaurant in the city, but take it in. I have to pull out them J's, you know. What's Princess wearing? Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Yes, sir. We here. Caden. Shot by Caden.
Yeah.
So we're doing the best food review in the city. And we're playing around with a new, what's this called?
It's like a Z. Yeah, tripod, crane, gimbal.
New technology. Yes, sir.
Work, I don't think like
Princess.
Hi. Guys, I'm tired. Literally.
So we here. We go into memories. Excited?
Yes.
I never been here before, so we about to eat some.
I can smell the food.
We can smell the food from outside. That's crazy.
Yes.
So it better be good. See you guys inside. Woo, outside is cold. There it is. That's the bar. Coat check. I don't know, this place looks bougie.
There's many. Right for you guys.
Okay.
I can't believe I did
Yeah, it's super nice in here though. So we're gonna test out the food and hopefully the food is good. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, perfect. Do you not need the wine menu, then I can get it out of your way.
Yeah, you can take that. Are you gonna get wine?
It's only wine menu.
This is just wine. I can bring a cocktail list if you want.
Look at that. They got frog legs on the menu. $15.
It's bomb.
Am I about to try that? No. So I'm gonna have the peppercorn steak. Cause they cook it in front of you, so I'm gonna try it. See how good it is. You know? Why not? What are you gonna have?
I'm getting the rack of lamb.
Rack of lamb. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the Greek ribs and the Caesar salad.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the steak sandwich.
Steak. We ready to eat. It's snowing outside. It's very depressing. I'm not gonna show that. Bipolar weather in Canada, okay? So we got some free bread. The lady legitly came and brought.
Tray of butter with it.
Oh, there's butter too? Oh. I like that.
Oh yeah.
Bread's nice because it's warm. Well, she could have brought like 6 bread.
That's the first bite. That's the first bite, yeah. How you liking it?
That's alright. She could have brought more bread still, I'm not gonna lie. So what kind of drink did you get? She had to get a red drink to match the red hair.
You already know.
Alright. Wait. I'll see if my right. Told myself.
This is good. What was this?
I didn't order it.
What's it? I don't know, a macarita or something. I just picked something.
When you order something, remember what you ordered.
Let me be great.
She doesn't remember what she ordered, but she said it tastes good. So far, it's good. Just need more bread. I'm stressed.
You want my bread?
No. Yo, my forehead looks big, but yo. They're gonna make this, they're gonna make a salad in front of you, right? Look at that. Man brought the salad bowl. Oh, yeah. So we got steak bites. Yeah, it's not bad. It was good. It's real good. In life, you got to improvise. I don't have a flashlight. I use my flashlight, like my cell phone. So the salad is finished. It looks real good, as you guys seen in the clip. But that steak, same way they did the salad is the same way they're gonna come out and cook the steak. Yeah, I'm excited for that. That New York peppercorn steak. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's the real black pepper. That's good.
Thank you.
How is it?
It's alright.
As what?
For the first bite.
Alright.
How is it? Good?
Yeah, this is actually amazing. They put egg in there. I've never seen anyone put an egg in a salad.
Yeah, it's looking good, I'm not gonna lie.
Coming out good. What's this?
That's right. Lamb.
It's about to go down.
Does anyone need pepper on their food at all?
No. Yeah.
This food is good. It's not my first bite, but yeah. It's proper still. Not gonna lie.
The struggle being a lefty is like crazy.
Try it. How is it?
Okay.
Chicken?
The chicken hellas, it's stuffed with feta cheese, which is one of the best dishes. Since 1989, it hasn't changed.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but there you go. And the Greek ribs, they've been in the menu since 1989.
You guys heard that? Little history. Memories.
Yeah,
Memories, yes. I build memories, you create your own.
Yo, the food is good. Let me just show you everyone's plate. I don't eat green beans, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Savage over there. Clean the bones. Yeah. Look at this one. How's the food? Look at the bones. Oh, clean it. Clean. Yo, that food is really good. 10 out of 10, no cap. It's good food. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna go on TripAdvisor and give them a really good review. 10 stars, can't even speak about it. I can give it 10 stars. It's 10 stars, but you have to actually come here and eat it to understand what 10 stars really is. Memories. Those are good. Oh yeah, we still got dessert. Stressed right now.
The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna caramelize the sugar. We're gonna make a perfect caramel.
Yeah.
gonna simmer it for a while, so all the caramel is gonna melt.
So right here we got the master. It's called the owner. And we got the strawberry peppercorn.
Strawberry peppercorn right here.
So now I'm gonna try it.
So good.
It smells so sweet.
What do you think?
It's really good.
Thank you.
We can tell you how it tastes, but you gotta actually come here and get this because this thing is sweet. Oh,
Thank you so much.
yeah.
It's a pleasure.
It's really good. Yo, honestly, this is the aftermath. Oh, you're still eating.
Another 10 out of 10.
I'm a slow eater,
Very slow eater.
literally.
This
I've
restaurant
never seen anyone try
is amazing.
strawberries before.
That's Katie in the background.
Still, everything, no crisp to it. They cooked it up good.
He's vlogging off that new iPhone 11 Max. Crazy. I gotta get myself one. But he cracked the screen though.
It looks like a design.
Yeah, but overall the food is amazing. It's 10 out of 10, but honestly, we only could tell you, but you actually have to come to this restaurant to try the food. Memories? Yeah, 5-star. Now we're just waiting for the bill. Big lounge.
It's deceiving, but yeah, it's we can do everything.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good night. It's a
Have a good
pleasure.
night.
Thank you so much.
And it's snowing. You guys see what's